Yo, what's up, everybody? Chad Bennett here at Nonstop Money TV. Welcome back to another online money making video where I'm going to show you today how you can earn free cryptocurrency that you can immediately convert into free Bitcoin. You guys, up to $161 of free crypto that you can convert into Bitcoin. And by the way, right now, Bitcoin is a very, very good investment that you want to be holding, especially with all the uncertainty going on in the stock market and the world today. You need to have some Bitcoin, you guys. So whether you're a complete beginner or you own Bitcoin already, you can earn up to $161 with this video. Now you need to stick with me through the entire video because I'm going to show you a trick of how you actually receive this invite to earn up to $161 of free crypto simply just watching simple videos that last 2 to 3 minutes. You take a small quiz and you earn free crypto. But there's a trick to this, and if you don't do this, there's so many people signing up for this website that it takes forever to actually receive your invite. That's what I've done videos on this before, and literally people are always saying, well, I never received the invite, Chad. Well, now I know exactly how to get you an invite, and I'm going to show you in this video, and I'm also going to show you exactly how you can buy Bitcoin and how you can trade this so that you can actually turn the crypto that you earned into free Bitcoin. So step-by-step tutorial, you hear, you guys. I'm also going to show you in this video the exact system that I'm using that I started a year ago today that is absolutely exploding, where I earn passive income and literally work from anywhere in the world, from home, you guys, wherever I want, as long as I have an internet connection. A lot of times it's done right here on my cell phone. By the way, the method that we're going to be using today actually can be done with your cell phone. So if you're interested, if you want access to my mentor that has showed me literally how to start an online business from the bottom up, scale it up, and earn up to $10,000 a month. If you want to do that today, I'm going to show you in this video. So much valuable information packed right in today's video. All right, you guys, now let's get started. Before I actually reveal to you exactly how this is going to work, I want you to understand one thing. This channel's goal is to help put money in your pocket and ultimately set you financially free. So the first thing that I need you to do, if you've not already done so, is make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. You hit the bell notification, join that bell club, drop me a comment. Let me know that you were here. Ask questions. If anything doesn't make sense to you, I will get back to you. Drop me a like, smash that thumbs up. You guys absolutely crush that screen on your device, not on your monitor, obviously. But give me a like. I really, really appreciate that. I need these videos to absolutely explode and go viral. You're going to love the information I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. Do not click off of this video because I'm going to show you step by step, just as promised, exactly how to start earning free cryptocurrency. And right now, you definitely need to earn free cryptocurrency, you guys. And ultimately, my goal on this channel is to set as many people financially free as I possibly can by implementing the exact same system that I'm using right now to earn up to $10,000 a month or more. Some folks are even earning $1 million or more, you guys. So without further ado, after you've done those things, let's get straight into this video. All right, you guys, let's kick this off and start earning some free cryptocurrency. Now, you better have already dropped me a comment, all right? I want comments down in the comment section and likes, as many as we possibly can get on there. Now, check out this information right here beneath this video right here. This is my favorite, easiest method to earn real cryptocurrency fast. Now, the problem is with this is a lot of folks can't receive the invite. And I know this from experience because I signed up for this same website and I never received an invite. And now I figured out exactly a very, very simple, easy way that you can get this invite and you can earn up to $161 worth of free crypto right here. And best of all is you can trade that cryptocurrency, the different cryptocurrencies actually that you see right here on the side: Compound, Orchid OXT, Tezos XTZ, EOS, right here. You can see earn $9 a comp, earn $46 OXT, earn $6 XTZ, earn $50 of EOS, right? That's some of the different cryptocurrencies that you can earn literally for just watching videos, taking some simple quizzes. And oh, by the way, the quizzes, you cannot fail. You can simply just keep clicking the boxes until you get the correct answer. So I didn't even watch the videos, to be completely honest with you, but if you want to learn about crypto, you can very, very simply watch the videos. It's great information. I just try to get through it as fast as I possibly could so I could collect my free cryptocurrency, you guys. I wanted the money fast. And I already knew some things about crypto, but either way, you guys, very, very simple method right here. I'm going to show you step by step exactly what to do. Now, if you're familiar with this website, we're on Coinbase.com. If you're not, don't worry about it. You want to come to Coinbase.com. I've left links down in the description of this video. Simply go down into the description. You'll see it under resources. It will bring you to Coinbase.com. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do once you get here is you're going to want to you need to create your account first, right? So you're going to hit sign in or get started right here, and you're going to create your free Coinbase account. You guys, it's 100% free to get set up, and it's very fast. It took me maybe, I don't think any more than 5 minutes, probably 2 minutes. That has some very generic, simple information to just get the account set up. Now, once you have your account set up, what you want to do is you want to come over here to where it says start earning, or you want to click right here where it says get 161. And by the way, these numbers change literally by the week sometimes. Sometimes I've seen it all the way up to 172. I've seen it down somewhere around maybe 151, 145. So it bounces around. They're constantly adding more offers so we can earn even more free cryptocurrency. Now, what's really cool about this website, like I said, is you can trade this out. All these different cryptocurrencies right here, you can convert this to Bitcoin. And I'm gonna show you how to do that on this video. Now, once you come over here and you click on the get 161 or whatever it actually says there at that time, it's going to bring you over to this page right here. And now what I wanna show you on here is just kind of how it works, you guys. It's really, really simple. Literally, you have to get an invite to be able to do this. You need to understand this. Everyone that just signs up doesn't get to do this, but I'm going to share with you a simple trick and tip here so that you can receive your invite within the first week. That's exactly what happened to me, and I'm going to just tell you exactly what I did to make this happen, and I'm going to make it so that you can do this for free, because I don't want you to have to spend any money out of pocket, right? So let's go over this real quickly. It's very, very simple. As you can see here, once you're signed in, I just want you to see what these courses look like, right? So they have Compound, COMP right here. You can earn $9 of COMP. All you're simply going to do once you receive the invite is you're going to come over here to where it says start course. You're going to click start course. As you can see, these are beginner lessons. It's very, very simple, and you don't even need to know the answers to the actual questions, because you can simply click them over and over again, and just until you get the correct answer on here. It's very, very simple to do. Now, as we move down the page here, you can see they have earn $3 of COMP, 3-minute video. And then if we keep going down, another $3 of COMP, another $3 of COMP. Now, some of these actually, just referring these out, you can earn up to another $40. I'm gonna show you that here. Let's go down the page here to Orchid OXT. This one you can earn up to $46 of Orchid OXT. We're gonna hit start course on this. Here's another video, right? 3-minute video, earn $2 of OXT, another $2, another $2. And right here, earn up to $40 of OXT simply for taking your referral code, your affiliate link, and sharing that with your friends, your family, and you can earn up to $40 just for teaching folks about different cryptocurrencies. They're gonna watch the same videos and they're gonna get paid as well. So why would they not do it, right? Very, very simple, easy stuff. Now, how do you actually go about getting invited to be able to do this, right? Because not everybody can. When they just sign up, it doesn't just pan out for them like that. And I know from experience, because that's what happened to me. I got signed up and I never received anything. So the trick here is, now listen up here, because this is very important. This is the reason why folks can't make any money doing this, is because when they create their free account, they're not actually putting any money in their account, right? If you just have a free account, the chances of you getting invited to actually earn up to $161 of free cryptocurrency or whatever it might be at the moment is very, very slim. And now I think the reason that this happens is because Coinbase wants to actually invest in their customers that are actually putting money into their accounts. So if you're not familiar with what Coinbase is, by the way, Coinbase.com is simply a crypto wallet. Think of it like a bank, sort of, or like a brokerage, an investment brokerage. You put your money into it. It's a wallet. It holds all of your cryptocurrency, and there's tons of them, by the way, that you can buy into. These are just a few right here, but there's like maybe 17, 20 different cryptocurrencies on here. Now, I don't want to make this complicated at all, but it's very, very simple. All your cryptocurrency gets held here at Coinbase.com. Coinbase is like the #1 recommended place to hold cryptocurrency. It's one of the best crypto wallets. They've invested a ton of money in security and stuff like that. So the trick here is you want to actually put some money in your Coinbase account. You want to deposit some money. Now, if you don't have any money right now, you're probably saying, some folks are probably like, I don't have any money to invest in Bitcoin or to put into buying cryptocurrency right now in Coinbase chat. Where am I gonna get this money? Well, I have a solution for you there too as well. I'm gonna jump over here to this website right here called Feature Points. Now, if you guys have heard of Feature Points, great. If you haven't, that's all right too. Now, what's really cool about this is this has a web interface where you can, do it from a website, and you can also jump on your tablets and your cell phones. And what's cool is you can earn Bitcoin. Right here, you can see down here at the bottom, you can earn Bitcoin right here on this website. And there's a variety of different things that you can do, right? You can complete surveys, you can complete different offers, you can earn cash back for shopping. Everybody's shopping online nowadays. Come on here, do some of your shopping, claim a percentage of that right here on Feature Points, and you can transfer this over to your Coinbase account, you guys. They have free different sweepstakes that you can enter into where you can win different contests. You can even just get paid in Bitcoin literally for downloading applications onto your devices. You guys download the apps, play around with them for a minute. And a lot of these are really cool applications. They're not stuff that you don't want to do, right? This is stuff that you use every single day. Look, they got Instagram on there, Clash of Clans, so games, Tinder, dating apps, another free game. That's just a sample of what they have. So really cool stuff right here, not boring. These are things that you're using all the time where you can get points that you can cash out for Bitcoin. You can also get paid, and by the way, this is the ultimate way to make the most money possible. You see this number up here where it says 21 referrals. If you want to make your own video and start your own YouTube channel, which I highly recommend, do a video similar to mine. I even have videos on my channel where I show you how to basically duplicate my videos 100% for free. I might even pop a link out up over here that discusses exactly how to do that. You can create a video just like the one you're watching right now, and you take this referral code right here. You see where it says share your link, earn 50%. You're going to copy that link and you're going to put that in the description of your videos. You're going to make a video similar to the one that we're talking about right now, talking about Feature Points and how folks can make money on this. And now you're going to earn 50% of all of the efforts that everybody is putting in to this website or the application every time they're going out there taking surveys, doing shopping and stuff like that. You're leveraging other people's efforts. And by the way, that is the #1, in my opinion, way to start making money online while you're sleeping. Passive income, you guys. It's literally a no-brainer. Start a YouTube channel and start growing an audience and posting your affiliate links down in the description. That is the ultimate way, literally, to start making money online. But point of the video here is start collecting points, cash them out for Bitcoin. You can come down here to where it says Bitcoin, and as you can see right here, for every 6,000 points that you have, you can cash that out for $10 of Bitcoin right here. And by the way, you need to have a Coinbase account, as you can see right there, that you transferred over to your Coinbase account. Now, what's great about once you put this money in your Coinbase account over here is they take you seriously. Now you're a customer that's vested with them. You have money in there, and they're going to send you an invite to earn up to $161 worth of free cryptocurrency. That's exactly what happened to me, you guys. I never really put any money in here, and I cashed all the money out that I was earning from my videos and stuff, and I invested some of my own money because I think Bitcoin is a great investment, by the way, right now. And if you don't have some, I think it's a great insurance policy just for all the crazy stuff going on in the world right now. It's just crazy, and you need to have some. But as soon as you put your money into Coinbase, you're going to get an invite. Literally within like 2 days, I got an invite in my email, and they said, hey, come check out our Earn program where you watch the videos and you take the short quizzes. And if you don't believe me, here's some of the proof right down here. Received compound, received stellar lumens, right? This is stuff that I didn't actually purchase right here. That is literally from the invite that they sent me. Now, I promised you at the beginning of this video, I was gonna show you how to buy, sell, and trade your cryptocurrency. So if you wanna cash this out, turn it back into the United States dollar, turn it into PayPal cash, send it to your PayPal account, convert it into different cryptos. The way that you're gonna do this is you're gonna come right up here to where it says trade. You're gonna click right here where it says buy if you wanna buy cryptocurrencies. If you wanna sell the different cryptocurrencies that you own, you can simply come through here, click on the ones that you own, and cash those out into cash. Or you can convert this into different types of crypto, and you can start trying to make money literally by just trading currencies right here, from Bitcoin to Ethereum, Ethereum back to Bitcoin. However you want to do it, you're going to need to do a little bit of research, and possibly the videos that you watched to teach you about different cryptocurrencies will come into play here, and you can apply that knowledge that you learned. Now, my favorite part of this video actually starts right now, you guys, because I told you at the beginning that I was gonna share with you exactly what I've been doing to earn up to $10,000 a month in passive income over and over again, literally on autopilot while I sleep. If you want a real life of freedom that you can scale through the roof and earn passive income, work from home or from anywhere in the world, you need to check out the first link down in the description of this video. It's my #1 recommendation down at the very top of the description, you guys. That's where I got started a year ago today. I got real serious about finding a solution to where I could literally break free, financial freedom, so I could get time back on my side. That's the #1 thing you want in life, is to be able to call the shots, right? To where you don't have to go clock in and work to make somebody else filthy rich, right? You can call the shots, you can work when you want. That's what I wanted in life. I have small kids and I wanted to be able to take them to practice, to watch them grow up, to spend time with my wife, to be able to go and enjoy hobbies and nice vacations. If you want a life like that, you can absolutely do this. This is where it happens. It's legit, it's honest, it's integrity. What you want to do is click on that link, get signed up, and it's going to bring you to this. And what I like about this the most is that this is a 15-day business builder challenge. And literally, as you can see over here, they break it down step by step. You guys understand one thing: if you want to win at something, is you want to find the winning recipe. So simply find somebody that's very good at what they do, and if they're willing to share exactly how they did it step by step, you can copy the same exact process and get the same exact results. And that's what's happening right here on Legendary Marketer, you guys. Within 15 days, you'll have your very own online business up and running, and you can literally scale this business through the roof and be earning $10,000 or more every single month. Some of these folks are earning millions of dollars, you guys, millions of dollars a year. Literally insane. Affiliate marketing is where it's at. I absolutely love it. It's very simple. And the first thing that you want to do once you get signed up and you get to this part right here is you want to schedule your call with your mentor right here. They're going to reach out to you. They're going to make sure that you understand what's going on. They're going to get you through this whole thing, get your business set up, and help you through this. They're going to hold you by the hand, right? Think about it. If you were going to go to a gym and you wanted to either lose weight or build muscle, if you wanted to do it the fastest, you would reach out to a personal trainer that could tell you exactly what to eat, exactly what weights to lift, how many repetitions to do it. And that's exactly kind of what's happening right here on this website. They're going to tell you exactly what you need to be doing to find success, you guys. This is the best beginner way, the best method. I've been at it for 15 years. Don't fool yourself. This is where it happens right here. 2020 is your year. I believe in you. I know it. I know there's all kinds of crazy stuff going on right now, and it seems like this is the worst year ever, but could it be the best year? Because maybe you have a bunch of time and you're sitting at home right now and you have nothing to do, and you could be building your own online business right now that will set you free for the rest of your life. So if this interests you, check that out, you guys. If you found any value in this video, make sure that you crush that thumbs up. And make sure that you share this with your friends, your family. Help me get the word out, because I want to change as many people's lives as possible. Make sure you dropped me a comment. Share this on social media, you guys. That's all I have for you. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Like I said, I really do care, and I want to see you succeed. So if you have any questions at all, drop that down in the comments. I will see you on the next one. Peace.